Hi there, I'm Christina Brewer. I painted this mountain scene in gouache, and today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in this video. When painting a white subject, I start with a dark background so I can use a larger range of light colors to create the illusion of my white subject. I place a dark, cold-looking gray in the sky, and at the same time, I form the top of the mountain. I blend the dark up into the white to make some cloud shapes in the sky. With this deep colored sky, I now have a pretty large range of values to work with in the snow. The other bonus of the dark horizon is the top of the mountain will be very light and create my focal point with contrast. When painting a snow-covered mountain, you focus on light and shadow changes in the snow. This goes for all white objects to make them three-dimensional and more realistic. Gouache is happier when you start dark and work your way to light, so I begin the mountain with the dark, exposed rocky areas. I establish where the blackish marks go first. Then I mix a cool light blue to signify the snow that is in shadow in the picture. By making the sky pretty dark and the exposed rocks almost black, I can paint a fairly blue color and you still believe it's white snow. You have to create the illusion of white using color, and the best way to do that is by carefully planning the surrounding colors. I placed down a few different shades of bluish gray for variety to establish all of the shadows. The mountain really starts to shape up at this point. The last step is painting the warm, sunlit snow color. I add to white a tiny speck of an orangey pink paint mix. Only enough to make it not white, but definitely not pink or orange. Then I imagine the sunshine coming from the left and put this warm white on all of the exposed areas and cover up the white paper. By using these gouache tricks, I have a white, three-dimensional snow-covered mountain, and I didn't use any solid white paint to create it. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day. Here's another gouache tutorial if you would like to see more like this.